Hi friends! Today, I'm so excited to show you how to turn even the smallest balcony, yes, even if you think your outdoor space is too tiny to be useful, into a place you'll absolutely love spending time in. Whether you're working with a narrow ledge or a petite 10-square-foot nook, there's so much potential waiting to be unlocked. Even those 10-square-foot spaces that seem impossible to decorate can become your favorite spot in the whole apartment. It's all about making smart choices and using a little creativity. Imagine transforming your balcony into a cozy outdoor retreat, perfect for morning coffee, evening relaxation, or even a mini garden oasis. With the right touches, you can create a space that feels like an extension of your home, no matter how limited the square footage. Small doesn't mean boring, and you definitely don't have to miss out on having a space you love. In fact, tiny balconies can be some of the most charming and personal spots in any home, filled with character and style. I've gathered 13 creative, renter-approved ideas to help you make the most of every inch. No drilling, no big investments, just smart, beautiful updates that are easy to install and remove. From clever seating solutions to vibrant decor, these tips are designed for anyone who wants to maximize their outdoor living, even in a rental. So grab your measuring tape, get inspired, and let's dive into these super doable, apartment-friendly transformations. Your dream balcony is just a few simple steps away. Let's make it happen together. When floor space is tight, go vertical. Even the smallest balcony or patio can be transformed into a lush oasis when you start thinking upwards instead of outwards. Vertical gardening is a clever way to maximize every inch, turning bare walls and railings into vibrant, living art. Whether you're working with a tiny apartment balcony or a compact urban terrace, you can still enjoy the beauty and benefits of a thriving garden. Wall planters and clamp-on railing planters let you create a lush green wall without sacrificing space. These options are perfect for renters or anyone who wants to avoid permanent changes. Simply attach planters to your balcony railings or hang them on the wall, and you'll instantly add color, texture, and life to your outdoor space. Plus, they make watering and maintenance a breeze. Tall, slim plant stands stack multiple plants at different levels for a jungle effect. By using stands or tiered shelves, you can fit more greenery into a small footprint, creating a dramatic, layered look that draws the eye upward. This not only saves space, but also gives your balcony a lush, tropical vibe. Mix leafy greens, succulents, or herbs for a fresh, layered look. Combining different plant types adds visual interest and allows you to experiment with colors, shapes, and scents. Try grouping fragrant herbs near your seating area, or mix trailing vines with upright plants for a dynamic display. Use non-permanent solutions like adhesive hooks or over-the-rail brackets, perfect for renters. These easy-to-install options mean you can rearrange your garden whenever you like, or take it with you if you move. No drilling or permanent fixtures required. Get creative with your wall and railing space so your floor stays free for lounging. With a little imagination, you can turn even the tiniest balcony into a green retreat, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying a breath of fresh air surrounded by your favorite plants. Bulky patio furniture won't fit? Foldable furniture is your answer. A bistro table and folding chairs can be stashed flat when you need extra space. Paint your chairs or add cushions for personality. Nothing's permanent. Everything's easy to move. Many foldable sets are slim enough to store inside during the off-season. Versatile, renter-friendly, and perfect for changing up your look. Never underestimate a great rug, even on the tiniest balcony. Outdoor rugs define your space, add color, and make it feel cozy and intentional. Stripes can widen a narrow space, while bold patterns add fun. They're weatherproof and totally non-permanent. Swap them out anytime. Instantly transform your balcony with this easy, stylish update. Lighting changes everything, especially outside. String lights draped overhead or along the railing create instant evening magic. Choose plug-in, battery, or solar-powered options. Easy to install, no drilling needed. Even one strand can make your balcony feel like a secret retreat. Cozy, twinkly, and totally landlord-friendly. Want a hideaway? Privacy screens are a game changer. Try bamboo panels, outdoor curtains, or tall planters for natural screening. Use zip ties, tension rods, or removable hooks for renter-friendly installation. Mix materials for a designer look and block wind or sun for extra comfort. Enjoy your own private oasis, even in the city. Combine storage and seating with a slim storage bench. Stash cushions, tools, or throws inside, and top with waterproof cushions for comfort. DIY with a crate or trunk for a unique, budget-friendly option. Instantly go from cluttered to chic. No one will know where you keep your extras. Floor space is precious, so look up. Hanging shelves display plants, candles, or books without crowding your balcony. Use removable hooks or railing brackets for easy, renter-friendly setup. Mix shapes and finishes for a curated look. Flexible, stylish, and perfect for changing with the seasons. Every inch counts. Choose pieces that multitask. A compact side table holds coffee, plants, or snacks, and can double as storage. Try a stool or basket with a tray for versatility and style. Lightweight and easy to move, your balcony is always ready for anything. Get comfy with weatherproof cushions. They resist rain and sun. Layer them on chairs, benches, or the floor for a relaxed vibe. Mix prints and textures for a look that's totally you. Choose quick-dry filling or washable covers for easy care. Cozy, welcoming, and perfect for hours of outdoor lounging. Grow your own herbs, even in a tiny space. Railing planters and small pots are perfect for basil, mint, rosemary, and chives. Line them up along the railing or cluster on a sunny shelf. Label your pots for a personal touch and enjoy fresh flavors at your fingertips. Small space, big flavor. For extra evening glow, grab some portable lanterns. Battery-powered or rechargeable, they add cozy light anywhere. No wires needed. Cluster them on tables or hang from hooks for layered lighting. Stylish, portable, and totally renter-friendly. Don't forget the walls. Weatherproof art or a small outdoor mirror transforms your balcony's vibe. Art adds color, mirrors bounce light, and make your space feel bigger. Use removable strips or lean pieces casually, no holes required. These touches make your balcony feel like a true extension of your home. Add a cozy layer with a weather-resistant outdoor throw. Drape it over your chair, keep it in your storage bench, or wrap up on cool nights. Choose quick-dry, fade-resistant fabrics in a color or pattern you love. Throws add texture, warmth, and style, ready for any weather. There you have it, your tiny balcony, totally transformed into a space you'll absolutely love. No matter how small your outdoor area is, with a little creativity and the right touches, you can make it feel like a true extension of your home. We've just explored 13 clever ways to turn even the most compact balcony into your favorite spot for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying a breath of fresh air. From adding lush plants and comfy seating to using vertical storage and twinkling lights, these ideas are designed to maximize every inch and bring your vision to life. Whether you try just one idea or mix and match several, you'll be amazed at how much personality and comfort you can pack into your outdoor nook. Imagine sipping your morning coffee surrounded by greenery, hosting a cozy evening chat with friends, or simply unwinding after a long day, all in your own private retreat. If you enjoyed these tips and want more inspiration for making the most of small spaces, Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear which balcony idea was your favorite, or if you have your own creative tips. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to share even more easy, stylish ideas to help you transform every corner of your home, no matter the size. See you next time.